Good morning everyone. We have our chapter number 4 and the chapter number 4 is acid, bases and salt. We have done A, B, C and D part. Now we are going to start E part of this chapter. So first one, in the E part, number 1 question, all alkalis are bases but all bases are not alkalis. Justify this statement. First of all, we know that what are alkalis. Alkalis are the bases which are soluble in water. So first line, they are bases because they are soluble in water. For example, sodium hydroxide, and the formula is NaOH. And which are not soluble in water, bases which are not soluble in water, they are not called alkalis. So all alkalis are bases because they are soluble in water, but bases are not alkalis because all bases are not soluble in water. Second, suggest an activity that help one to decide whether a given solution is acidic and basic. We know that to deduct the to decide the substance is acidic or basic, given solution is acidic and basic, we have a indicator. So here I am using here indicator litmus paper in both the cases. For acidic medium, take a lemon juice. We know that which one acid is present in the lemon juice, it is citric acid, but we have to find out whether it is acidic or basic. So take a lemon juice in a petri dish and dip a strip of blue litmus paper in it. We are using here a blue litmus paper. We know that blue litmus paper is converted into red and it shows the presence of acid in the lemon juice. For basic we are taking here a soap solution and dip a strip of red litmus paper, and this red litmus paper is converted into blue one, and this shows that there is a presence of base in the soap solution. Now in the comment section you have to write the, if we are using phenolphthalein, we know that phenolphthalein is a synthetic indicator. When we put some drop of phenolphthalein in a basic medium, बेसिक मीडियम में जब हम फिनोल्फथलीन की 2 ड्रॉप्स डालेंगे तो उसमें कौन सा कलर आएगा या फिर कौन सा कलर ऑब्जर्व होगा. यू हैव टू राइट इट इन माय कमेंट सेक्शन. ओके, नेक्स्ट वन, वी हैव राइट द केमिकल इक्वेशंस ऑफ द फॉलोइंग. सो फर्स्ट ऑफ ऑल वी शुड नो दैट व्हाट आर द फॉर्मूलास ऑफ द कैल्शियम हाइड्रोक्साइड नाइट्रिक एसिड. so many, or we can say these are the word problem is given here and we have to write it in equation form, just like in class 6 we have also done in the algebra case. Wherever the word problem is given, expression is given, you have to convert this into algebraic expression. So in the same way we have here word problem and then after we have to write chemical equation. Calcium hydroxide CaOH whole twice, it is the formula of calcium hydroxide which is a base, and the nitric acid HNO3 is a acid. So base plus acid we get salt and water. Here salt is calcium nitrate, formula is CaNO3 whole twice and the water is H2O. Acetic acid CS3COOH and calcium hydroxide CaOH whole twice and we get calcium acetate and water. Hydrochloric acid, it's a common example of the neutralization reaction. Ammonium hydroxide formula is NH4OH, and the sulfuric acid it is H2SO4, we get ammonium sulfate, and the water we know that H2O. In every case acid plus base give salt and water. Okay, move to the next one. State the differences between neutral, acidic, basic salt. So first one, neutral salt. In the neutral salt, to making the neutral salt, strong acid and base. We know that salt is formed when acid and base react together. So for the neutral, strong. For the acid salt, there must be a strong acid and weak base. For the basic salt, strong base. Simple. Okay, next one, it is neither acidic nor basic. Number 2, if it is an acidic salt, then it converts blue to red. If it is a basic salt, then it converts blue litmus paper into a red litmus paper into a blue one. And the examples, this is a potassium chloride, sodium sulfate, potassium nitrate, zinc sulfate, ammonium nitrate, copper chloride. And next one, this is potassium acetate, sodium acetate. Next one, sodium carbonate. Next one we have number 5 and the last question, describe an activity to show the solution of the salt in water can conduct electricity. So we have to perform the activity that shows salts of solution of salt conduct electricity. So first of all, take a beaker and fill it with water, dissolve some common salt. So here we have a beaker and I dissolve here some salt in the water, and it is connected with a battery. Here we have a bulb that shows that current is passes through this wire when the bulb will glow. And these are the graphite rods. These are the graphite rods and these are the connecting wires. The bulb start glowing, indicating that the flow of electric current, and this shows that a solution of sodium chloride can conduct electricity. Okay, your chapter number 4 is complete now. Revise the whole chapter and then after I will also take the test, and thank you.